What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Westinghouse WPX3400 gas pressure washer. Now, just like the name suggests, you're going to be getting 3400 PSI and 2.6 GPM of a very good deep cleaning water pressure. Now, this is going to be great for decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, anything really that you would use at home to get a really good power wash on. Now, the device itself weighs 63 pounds, but it does have some nice wheels, so moving this thing around is totally easy. And it does come with a 25-foot hose length, so you really don't have to move it around too much while you're doing your cleaning. It has an easy-to-fill 1-gallon gas tank, and it does also have a half-gallon onboard soap tank. And I really like that because it's going to make things much easier to get clean. Now, as I did mention, it does come with a 25-foot hose length, but it also does come with 5 quick connect nozzles. You've got a 0-degree nozzle, 15-degree, 25-degree, 40-degree, and then you also have the soap nozzle. So you really have a nozzle for any application. This really is an all-in-one package. Now, this pressure washer does come powered by a 212cc 4-stroke Westinghouse OHV horizontal shaft engine with a recoil start, which will make this a very long-lasting and maintenance-free engine. And then in terms of its overall construction, it is made from a steel frame construction with 12-inch high profile, never flat wheels. So you really end up getting a very high quality product when you're picking this one up. But that's pretty much all I've got for you guys in this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again real soon.